What is Sound Point Capital's 1.8 million fine and MIO Partners' 18 million penalty have in common? They were both fined for insufficient MNPI controls. While most hedge funds are still struggling with manual compliance reviews, one of our clients replaced their manual process with AI that catches insider information instantly. Their compliance team went from spending hours manually reviewing interviews to having an automated system that flags potential risks in real time. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how we did it and how it's transformed their compliance process. Hey, I'm Alex from Productera, where we help financial institutions build cutting-edge software solutions that drive growth and improve operational efficiency. In the next few minutes, you'll see exactly how we help one of the leading financial institutions automate their compliance monitoring, scale their analyst research capabilities, and protect themselves from MNPI violations. If you are a hedge fund manager, compliance officer, or running an investment firm dealing with extensive market research, this video will show you a new way to scale while staying compliant. Alright, let me paint you a picture of what our client was dealing with before they came to us. Picture a growing hedge fund with ambitious analysts conducting dozens of expert interviews daily. Each interview needs to be recorded and transcribed, checked for material non-public information, reviewed by compliance officers, and summarized for the investment team. Here's where it gets scary. The compliance team was drowning. They were manually reviewing hours of interviews, while analysts waited for approval before acting on their research. The risk of missing crucial MNPI was keeping the CCO up at night. They needed three things: automated compliance monitoring, faster research processing, and scalable solution for their growing team. This is where our expertise in AI and financial technology came into play. We designed a platform that completely transformed their workflow. Here is what makes this really interesting. We built an AI-driven platform that could record and transcribe analyst calls automatically, uses advanced AI to detect potential MNPI in real time, create smart summaries of key insights based on specific interviews or a collection of interviews under the same topic, and finally, flags compliance concerns before they become problems. Technical architecture-wise, it was based on Python and JavaScript for robust processing, AWS for scalability and infrastructure, Django and React for a seamless user experience, and GraphQL for efficient data handling. And of course, multiple LLMs and AI agents to handle the AI workload. The magic happens in how these components work together. When an analyst conducts an interview, the system automatically records and transcribes it, AI analyzes the content for potential MNPIs, and compliance officers get instant alerts about any concerns. Analysts receive approved, summarized insights faster than ever. Now, we didn't just build this overnight. Our approach was methodical and collaborative. Usually, projects like that are constructed of two phases: the design phase and the delivery phase. Let's start with the design phase. We started our design phase with the classic customer development activities, which is user interviews. We conduct deep dive sessions with our key users, which are compliance officers and research analysts. Once we have the product designed, we also spend a good amount of time on writing specs, requirements, and things called user stories with the developers. Speaking about work process, we work in 2-week agile sprints. The reason why we work in 2 weeks, because historically it tend to be the optimal duration of a sprint. Once we release the amount of work settled for 2 weeks, we conduct the demo session and get client feedback. Based on this feedback, we also plan next sessions, and this is a continuous integration of feedback and compliance requirements coming from the real business. For that particular project, we gone through almost 30 releases or 30 sprints over the span of this year. Every project is different, and every project requires different number of specialists, developers, QA engineers, project managers, scrum masters, depending on the scale. Typically, we started the projects with a small team of 4 developers, 1 QA engineer, 1 project manager, 1 QA engineer. That allows us to move fast while maintaining the highest quality standards crucial for developing financial software, while staying within the budget allocated to develop the project. Now, while the development process is definitely important, what is more important for the business is the results. So, how's the product doing and what was able to accomplish after we launched it 6 months ago? So, first of all, there are hundreds of active users on the platform. We were able to achieve 100% compliance check coverage across all the users database that's currently using the product. And finally, what is the most important is zero MNPI violations since the implementation of the product. But here is the real game changer. The compliance team now reviews in minutes what used to take hours, and analysts get their insights approved faster than ever. The platform continues to learn and improve with each interaction. You've just seen how we transformed a manual, risk-prone process into a streamlined AI-powered solution that protects firms while accelerating research capabilities. If you're facing similar challenges with compliance monitoring and research efficiency, we should talk. Click the link below to schedule a consultation, and we'll analyze your current setup and show you how to implement a similar solution for a team. Don't forget to subscribe for more case studies and insights into how AI is transforming financial services. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.